Alright, we'll talk about battery maintenance today. This is a Dodge 210 Ram 2500 series with a 6.7 liter Cummins engine. And these are the current batteries I got in there. They're like 4 years old. Then you can see here it's starting to get a little, that little green looking color there. So I have to clean that up. Now the diesel's got 2 batteries, right? So here we are. Alright, the date on this one is 7/17, or it's the shipping date. I guess, I'm not sure. I have to look that up. Battery unlimited. Cold cranking amps. What is it? 790. Alright then, we're going to take in over here. It don't look like there's any green business going on. You can see right here, it's a little, right there, see, it's a little dirty or whatever. It's not that bad though. But for comparison, you come over here and you can definitely see the green on this one. See it right there? So I have to take and straighten that out. But I am going to get some new batteries to put in it. And I'll just keep these. The core on it's $18, so I'll just keep these and try to keep them charged up best I can, like spares, or I can use them for anything else, because other devices don't take up so much juice and need so much cold cranking amps. All right, until the next episode. All right then, these are the batteries that I'm going to replace the ones I got with. They're Super Start Extreme. Okay, and that's the warranty number there. Alright, they shipped 521 or made 521. I think that might be ship. Alright. Here's some of the information on it. See there, we got 790 cold cranking amps. And it's in group H7, and the part number is 94REXT. You got these at O'Reilly. All right, until the next episode.